Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn off memory integrity protection to continue updating Windows 10. So if you're coming across this problem where you're attempting to uninstall a new feature update and you're coming across this error message, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to proceed with this update and turn off what appears to be inhibiting it. And we are going to start by opening up the Start menu. Just left click on the start button one time. Select the settings gear icon on the left side where you hover over it. It should say settings. So go ahead and left click on that. You want to scroll down underneath update and security and go left click on that. Select Windows Security on the left side. And then select Open Windows Security, this button over here on the right. There should be something that says device security on the left, so go ahead and select that. And now if you're coming across this issue, there should be something that says core isolation here. Since I do not have the virtualization-based security, given that I'm in a virtual machine right now, but if you're coming across this issue in this area, in this panel, there should be something that says memory integrity, prevents attacks from inserting malicious code into high security processes. I recommend toggling that to the off position and then close out of here. Proceed with the update, and once that's done, I'd recommend turning it back on. So I would recommend keeping it generally on. However, just in this one instance where you need to temporarily disable it, go ahead and disable it, attempt to install the update once again, and then turn on the memory integrity protection once again, and hopefully at that point your issue should have been resolved. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.